Hello guys! The internet is accessible to everyone. Make your store too. Transform challenged visitors into potential customers while being socially and digitally responsible. Customize your website to meet the unique needs of disabled visitors with Accessibility app. Discover the features that make accessibility seamless. Engage visitors with text-to-speech and adjust font size for better readability. Enhance visibility by inverting colors. Switch to grayscale mode for visual comfort. Highlight links for easy navigation. Enable focused reading mode. Mute sounds for a distraction-free experience and hide images to simplify content. Choose from various cursor sizes. Pause animations to maintain focus. Apply custom CSS for personalized styling. Gain market share of this disabled customer group. Enjoy seamless integration with our built-in text-to-speech option. Our app is fully responsive and highly customizable to fit your brand's needs. Most Magento themes are compatible with flexible accessibility settings. Enhance your store with our Accessibility app for Magento today.